Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're having a beautiful New Year's Eve or New Year's, January 1st, 2021. Happy New Year, everybody. So, I bought some GT side scoops. I'm sorry. Since mine doesn't have the vent. And of course, I want them, closed so it could look better. Actually, got them over here. Bought them for $40. Don't mind my messy trunk, along with the fuel door, which I'm gonna do in a separate video. $40 for all. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take it off, like the easiest way. You just stick, I don't know, a flathead screwdriver and pop the clips. If you don't wanna break the clips, there's a whole different process where you gotta take almost everything from the inside and take it out. But I'm gonna do the easy process. Hopefully it's like a 5-minute video. It's pretty fast and easy. I also forgot to mention your boy got some racing harness. I'm mount them on today as well, along with the fuel door. 3 separate videos since it's 3 separate things. So this is like a 2-inch. It was like $70. Anyways, I'm gonna spend more when I do this video. Anyways, I keep saying anyways, I'm sorry about that. So, oops, bad angle. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Oh, damn, bro, you look so bad in camera. Yep, got this big dent. So like I mentioned, you need a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I'm gonna try not to lock the view, but you just insert it. You might want to put some tape or something so you don't scratch the paint, but this is a project car, so I still gotta like repaint it. I have some clips out. Now, on this side, you have about 3 clips. It's better with a clip tool. I don't know the name, but I don't care if I break the clip since I'm not gonna use this. So when you take this side out, what you want to do, you want to hit the side scoop a little bit this way so the clips can come out, and they're gonna be stuck in there. You know how you got this thing, so if you hit them to the side, they just come out pretty easy. So you're gonna have like some plastic. I took mine out since I don't even know, but it's fake vents anyways. You got some holes, but I don't know. Gonna go ahead and throw this one in. Just line it up, I guess. I'm missing a clip here. I believe I have it on my pocket. Yep. He used another one of his clips that I took out from the original side scoop. And you just go ahead, line it up. Make sure they're secure. There you have it. Now I'm gonna go ahead, turn the card around and do the other side. Oh, I forgot I put the seat all the way up. Not a co-start up, but let's get it. Okay, so I just realized I lost a center cap for this. Wow. I need to lower them. Let me know down in the comments below what coilovers you guys recommend. I don't know. But anyways, let's go ahead and do the other side. So the other side, basically the same thing. Find a place where it's kind of open. Take it out from this side. Once again, I don't care if I break the clips since I don't need them. Then you kind of push it to this other side. See, I'm gonna take out the plastic since the other one, the other side doesn't have it. Also, the clips, they have like two separate things. When you put them on, you want to make sure you put the, I don't know, the rail, I don't know the name, in the middle. Then you just push it in until you hear the click. There you go. We'll go ahead and grab the other one. Of course, after I take out the plastic. It doesn't matter if this is a fake vent hood or a fake vent, since anyways these vents are closed, so there's no air gonna go coming in, so doesn't really matter. So once again, line it up, I'm sorry. You just kinda hit it and make sure it's tight. This one is not. There you go. So I guess this is pretty much it for the video. It was an easy mod. Thank you all for watching. Oops, wait, hold up. First, I gotta put this. You don't know what this is? Well, this is some, I don't know the name of them. I just got them for Christmas. My brother bought them for me. They go on the wheels. There you go. Also, third game on point. Can't see it. Does it fits? Yes, it fits. Let me grab the other one. Oops. It goes. Oops. This looks so much more aggressive with the GT side scopes in black. Just go around. Yeah, it looks more aggressive with it. Kind of like it. It will look more aggressive with the fuel door, also black, which I'm gonna do right now. So make sure you guys follow or watch the next video. There you have it.